Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah.
There is the category of problems in life, and it ain't going anywhere. And so the question is, can you deal with the whole category at the same time? That's the thing. That's how to be in the world, is to deal with that category all at the same time. And so how did human beings, what did they come up with as a solution? And that's so cool too, because the solution they come up with not only was the heroism that allows you to approach what you're terrified by and what you find offensive and to learn from it, but also the idea of sacrifice, and that was played out by cultures everywhere, including human sacrifice.
Well, I've sacrificed time with family and friends, gave up vacations for work without end. 24/7, 365, but I was willing to make the sacrifice.
And you think, what the hell was up with those crazy bastards so long ago? They were sacrificing to gods all the time. What kind of clueless behavior was that? Burn something and please God. Burn something valuable and please God. It's like, what was with them? What were they thinking? Well, they weren't stupid, those people. If they were stupid, we wouldn't be here. They were not stupid, and believe me, they lived under a lot harsher conditions than we do. So those were some tough people, man. You know, back then you'd last about 15 minutes, and so you don't want to be thinking of your ancestors as stupid. Like, there's no real evidence that we're much different cognitively than we were 150,000 years ago. So anyways, sacrifice. What does that mean, sacrifice? Well,
but empty or full of car in my pail. You don't drink the water if you don't dig the well. Through blood, sweat and tears I have built a good life, but it didn't come without sacrifice. But I was gonna be rich no matter how much it cost, and I was gonna win no matter how much I lost. All through the years I kept my eye on the prize. You ask if it's worth the sacrifice.
It's a discovery, man. It's the discovery of the future. It's like the future is actually the place where there is threat, and it's always going to be there. So what do? You make sacrifices in the present so that the future is better. Right. Everyone does that. That's what you're doing right now. That's what you're doing here. That's what your parents are doing when they pay money to send you to university. They think, you can bargain with reality. It's amazing. You can bargain with reality. You can forestall gratification now, and it'll pay off at a place and time that doesn't even exist yet. It's like, who would have believed that? It's like, that's a miracle that that occurs.
I was gonna be rich no matter how much it cost, and I was gonna win no matter how much I lost. I wanted success, and brother, I paid the price. And yes, it's been worth the sacrifice. I was gonna be rich no matter how much it cost, and I was gonna win no matter how much I love. Grindstones and rhinestones are made of my life, but I've shined like a diamond through sacrifice.
We conjured up this remarkable idea. The future exists. We can see it even though it's only potential. We can adjust our behavior in the present in order to maximize our probability of success in the future. How best to do that? Well, the idea is something like, don't hesitate to offer the ultimate sacrifice if you want the future to turn out ultimately well. Now, obviously, that idea is clothed in metaphysical speculation and religious imagery, but it still remains an intensely practical issue, right? What is it that you could contract for, let's say, if you were willing to give up everything about you that's weak and unworthy?
I was gonna be rich no matter how much it's cost. And I was gonna win no matter how much I love. I hope God may tell me, well done, my child. You've won your reward through your